If you want to learn how to rotate a photo in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy ways to do it. First, I'll show you how to rotate a single layer like a photo, shape, or text box. Then I'll show you how to rotate the entire canvas or image if you want to change the direction of the whole document. This is a simple but very useful skill, and once you know it, editing in Photopea becomes much faster and easier. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. For the first method, rotating a single layer, start by opening your project in Photopea and looking at the Layers panel on the right. Click the layer you want to rotate so it becomes active. This is important because Photopea will only transform the selected layer. Next, go up to the top menu and click Edit, then choose Free Transform. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can use CMD plus Option plus T on Mac or Ctrl plus Alt plus T on Windows. Once Free Transform is active, you'll see a box around your selected object. Now move your cursor just outside one of the corner handles. When you do that, your cursor will change into a curved double-headed arrow. That tells you the object is ready to rotate. Click and drag to turn it to any angle you want. You can rotate it slightly for a natural tilt or spin it all the way around depending on the design you're making. If you want cleaner, more precise movement, hold shift while dragging. This will snap the rotation into a 15-degree increments, which is really helpful when you want perfect alignment at 0, 15, 30, 45, or 90 degrees. When you're happy with the angle, press Enter on your keyboard to apply the change. You can also click the check mark in the top options bar to confirm it. That's it. Your single layer is now rotated. This method is great for repositioning logos, text, photos, stickers, and other elements without affecting the rest of the canvas. Now let's move on to the second method, which is rotating the entire canvas or image. This is the one you'll use if your whole picture is sideways or if you want to flip the complete document. To do this, go to the top menu and click Image, then hover over Transform. From there, you'll see several preset options. If your photo is sideways, the fastest option is rotate 90 degrees clockwise or rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. If the image is upside down, choose rotate 180 degrees. And if you need a mirror effect, you can use flip horizontally or flip vertically. These options are really useful because they affect the whole document at once, so you don't have to manually rotate each layer individually. The key difference here is simple. Free Transform is for one selected layer or object, while Image Transform is for the entire canvas. So if only one element is out of place, use the first method. But if the whole photo needs to be turned, use the second method. Knowing when to use each one will save you time and help you work much more efficiently in Photopea. And that's how to rotate in Photopea in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea and editing guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.